Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter called Understanding Diversity. The word diversity means differences. All around us, people are different from one another, but we still live together. In this chapter we will learn what diversity is, how it develops, and why it is important for our lives and for India. Let us first understand what diversity means. People are not the same. We are different in many ways. Some differences are in our looks, some in language, some in culture, and some in religion. These differences do not divide us. In fact, these differences make life more colorful, interesting, and meaningful. Diversity is not something far away. We can see it all around us every day. No two people look exactly the same. We speak different languages at home and outside. We follow different customs and rituals. Each person has a unique way of living, and that is what makes society special. Even our classroom is a good example of diversity. Some students like reading books, while others enjoy sports. Some students speak different languages at home. When the teacher asks a question, some answers may be similar, but not all answers are the same. So, we are similar in some ways and different in other ways. Now think about this question. Can we make friends with people who are different from us? Yes, we can. Differences do not stop friendship. When we try to understand others and communicate politely, friendship becomes strong. Respect and kindness help us connect with everyone. This chapter tells us a story about two boys named Samir Ek and Samir Du. They had the same name, but their lives were different. They met each other at a traffic signal. By talking and helping one another, they slowly became friends. This story helps us understand diversity in real life. Let us see how Samir Ek and Samir Du were different. Samir Ek went to school, spoke English, and was Hindu. Samir Du sold newspapers, spoke Hindi, and was Muslim. They had different lives, languages, and religions. But even with these differences, they became friends. What does this story teach us? They spoke different languages. They followed different religions. Still, they became good friends. This clearly shows us that diversity does not prevent friendship. Understanding and respect bring people closer. Now we must understand an important idea. Difference is natural and normal. But inequality happens when people do not get equal opportunities. Samir Du could not attend school. Not everyone gets the same chances in life, and that is unfair. In the past, society was divided based on work. This system is called the caste system. Children had to follow their parents' profession. They had no chance to change jobs. Because of this, many people were treated unfairly. This system created inequality. Diversity adds many good things to our lives. We learn new languages. We eat different kinds of food. We celebrate different festivals. Because of diversity, life becomes richer, joyful, and more interesting. India is one of the best examples of diversity. India has many languages. People follow different food habits. There are many religions and festivals. Yet, many practices are similar across the country. This shows India's unity in diversity. Now let us understand how diversity developed. People traveled long distances. Some came for trade. Some came because of wars, famine, or work. Over time, different cultures met and mixed. This mixing of cultures created diversity. Geography also plays an important role in diversity. People adapt to the place where they live. Life near the sea is different from life in the mountains. Geography affects food, clothing, and work. So, where people live decides how they live. Let us look at Ladakh. It is a mountain desert region. The climate is very cold and dry. People depend on animals for their livelihood. Ladakh is famous for pashmina wool. It was also an important trade route. Now let us look at Kerala. It is a coastal region with hills. The land is fertile and receives heavy rainfall. Spices grow well here. Many traders came to Kerala in the past. People of different religions lived together peacefully. Both Ladakh and Kerala attracted traders. Their geography supported trade. Over time, trade brought people, ideas, and cultures together. This shows that history and geography together shape culture. Indians are different, but we are united. During the freedom struggle, people from different regions came together. They fought together against British rule. This unity made India strong. Our national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. It mentions many regions of India. It reminds us that even though we are different, we are one nation. Let us revise what we learned today. Diversity means differences among people. Differences can be positive. Inequality is unfair. India is a perfect example of unity in diversity. That's it for now. Thank you.